Folks, AJ here with Gary. We're at the top of stage 3 panic button on the full route. This is only for the full route, and we're gonna go give you a week stage preview. Let's give it a go. Straight into it here. Start will be just about here. Little jump at the start here. And then you got probably the most difficult feature of the whole trail coming up right here, which is the wall, steep wall section. If you can do that bit fine, you're good on the rest of the trail. And Gary's already off. You have to go pretty fast to keep up with him. Wee little gap there. You can do a bigger gap if you get enough speed. You can keep your speed here. Get up there. And then you've got this lovely rock roll. Much more of a bomb hole nowadays that you see. Oh. Rough on a dusty day like today. There's a wee gap there which you can do, but you're going to get to the right of it. You need to carry a lot of speed into it. Down there. Drop. Onto the fire road bit, and then you turn left it. So much dust. Here comes the very steep chute. A bit more room. That's definitely a bit more rutted. We drop it. If you can let your brakes go here, that's brilliant because you've got the fast flowy section coming up. We jump there. These jumps on the left will be taped up for race. And then we're into the last tricky section. Very tight in the pedals and the handlebars. A lot of pedals, handlebar catches. So push down into this. High up there, that reach is like a sniper away. And then across the finish line just there. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that wee preview. And hope to see you on race day. Cheers.